Can we find one? Ugh. Guys, look how cool this is. Is there another one? Wait, where's the other one? That one looks like it's closed already. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Oh, you close this. Oh, it's already closed. Oh, look at it! I am not going on top of this dang thing. Hey, Boops. Eat your food. Oh, no. Don't do that. I know, right? So, guys, I'm taking a walk.
Just taking a walk.
I'm taking a walk, guys. Don't listen to him.
We're drinking water.
I'm drinking water.
Very thirsty.
And I'm out here in the woods walking after a long day. The funeral passed. Yeah. And small chilling and relaxing for next day. And guys, this is day 2 with no internet. I don't know how he does it, but I need my internet. So, where are we going?
Let's walk. We're ready to turn back.
Alright. Yeah. That's what he said. Guys, I'm about to get some guava. Ah, check out the guava. I haven't had guava in years. Oh! Yeah, you got 3. 3 came down. Yeah, oh. Guava, guys. That one overripe? Yay!
You need more?
No. Well, it's only 2 because one of them is no good, right?
You want one more?
Just one more.
You want the green one then?
No. Is the green one any good? Alright. You're the best. Alright. Yay. Huh? Oh. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. That one looks better. Yeah. Yes. I got guava. Yeah.
So guava?
I got guava, guys. Yes. Look at his face. Yeah. Good morning. So guys, it is day 3 in the country. Another day without no internet, no social media, no nothing, and I'm loving it. So yesterday was a beautiful day, guys. I did not vlog any of my family time. I wanted it to be private, and I wanted to really like talk to especially family members I haven't seen in years. We're talking since I was like a teenager, and we had about 4 generations in the house, and it was nice to meet some of my family members I haven't seen before and to bond, to reflect. Last night was great. I was with my aunt and my mom and my uncles, and having them talk about stories when they were younger. It was just so special, and I wanted to just enjoy the day, so I didn't really felt the need to pick up a camera, and I left it that way. So today I am going to this springs. It's a natural water place, and hopefully I get to get some good pictures and enjoy the moment. So yeah, that's the plan. Wait, a jackfruit that?
There's something for you, yeah.
Hey! Thank you.
You know, it's tangerine.
Yes. Oh, look at the donkey.
You can't have him.
Hmm?
Where say I go now, spur? When do say I check out big duty there? I don't know, say. You look on 10 phone and I'm feeling about you. When me hear you gone already. Alright.
Good morning. I'm in hell with this donkey. Oh my goodness. He's just not friendly like that. I move, he moves. The donkey. Aww. And this is not heavy, right?
No.
Okay, good. Aww.
You don't want to hurt him.
I know, right? He's like, no.
Okay, so.
Alright.
Yeah. I will see you in a part.
Alright. Bye. Spicy bun. Spice bun. It's good, guys. Feel so greedy. We are in Christiana. I'm ready.
Yes.
I don't know. Hello, hello? No, nobody's over here. I shouldn't stop it. I shouldn't stop it. I have a sister. And me, I have to deal with yeah, but me, I have to deal with this all the time. Okay? Keep that.
Sweets up for me, mom. Tell him.
This is a sweet up, right? No, yeah. Oh my God, I've had sweet up in years.
When we don't you want shrimp soup?
Yeah.
We go to Alan Bambi, you know, we have to make it. Come in here,
Uncle, can you order this for me?
Another coal.
Alan Bambo.
Let me get some.
I got you Alan
Not the whole
Bambo.
thing.
Eversley.
We ain't much about turn out.
Growing up, this tree was in our house, so we used to eat this all the time. Remember? That tree's not there anymore.
Yeah, right again.
Cause we used to eat this all the time. I used so much that after a while I used to spoil and drop.
Yeah, it been long, you know.
For years. It was so good, guys.
For me, that's it. We go wise pass. I go to drive, no? I'm based on the time now, no?
Yeah.
No, man, not easy drive that,
So,
man.
me not think, sir, but I
You
go,
near-
that was
you-
late first.
No, sir.
What
Yeah,
do you
but
do?
you do the two of them to that?
Can't do it today.
No, sir. You can't do the two of them. Go west today and go.
It's nice, no?
Yeah.
Let them see that one there.
Go west today.
Yes.
problem is, if you know time, we quite do it.
Yes.
Because we're supposed to leave from 9 o'clock. And we never leave till after 12.
For you.
So you go to Chesapeake, Lovers Bay. It's just on the road. Depends on where you drive.
If it's up
Yeah.
to Santa and them way there.
Yeah, through Santa, straight on the road go.
One straight road.
Less than 20 minutes drive.
Which one more thing? Which one you really want to take? You mentioned the reach.
So I'm gonna beat, don't you?
Yeah. Let's do race.
Huh?
As long as she get water, let's do race.
Where we going that way, so?
West is nice now.
No.
Now.
I go up on the falls.
Yeah.
You get your feet in.
You get a beat out now.
No,
Nice.
race.
What a cool and nice.
Race.
Yeah.
At where? At
Yeah,
race? At race.
West.
Oh, you-
YS.
West.
Y and S.
How you spell that?
That's Y and
Just
S.
Y and S.
Oh, really?
Y and S.
I the one uses awareness.
You be this over there.
Sir?
Wait, yeah, man. There's a man where what a cow. No. They do it.
That spot.
Give me a-
I'm just send it up.
about
I think him still own it and family passed out too. Passed out the family, no?
Thank you.
What am I selling things right down and know what am I supposed to sell? Like Chinese man I take
So good. Alright, Uncle. What do you want now?
Yeah, mix up.
Yeah, because I'm help you with yours.
You all are Chinese Jamaican now. You are so going to learn the Chinese language. Curriculum. The kids at school so have to learn
Guys,
Chinese.
my mother hasn't stopped talking.
The children at school so have to learn
She's on
Chinese.
fire today. Alright, Uncle. My mother not start talking yet. Guys,
They do invest in their children.
you have no idea how good this is. So good. Fresh coconut. Inside the coconut.
They believe in education.
Yeah.
I left a peanut, look at that.
You're right.
I left a peanut.
You did?
Yeah.
You bought the peanut and leave it?
Yeah, me too, half fight and leave
Where leave it?
Oh, you leave off. You eat off it already?
Oh, you left it on the puppy on the
What if I put in your pocket?
Fake drink the coconut.
All the pocket we have in your
So when you're waiting, drinking the coke now.
Yeah.
So guys, I am at YS Falls. Never been here, so it's in St. Elizabeth, and it looks beautiful already, but it's a lot to do. So we're going to. So we're gonna try to have some good family fun. So yeah, guys, it's that kind of day. You saw her, right? This is pretty. Yeah, right? This seems safe already. That looks fun.
It's part of the play.
You know that.
Look here. Not him, me tell.
You don't know?
The man going to the bush.
To the bush.
Oh, give to me. Him man playing with it.
Poor thing.
Playing to the bush.
Is it warm? It's cold? It's warm? So you like that?
I want to swim in this one. Hi, Mikey. That's your name,
So guys, this place, it's relaxing, and I think we came on a bad day because the restaurant is closed early. So if you come here on a Sunday, this snow is going to be a short one. Preferably come on another day, not Sunday. So that's the best I can say. But it's a beautiful place, and the water was so cool, and it's really nice, and you know, I had fun, but you know, it was short, too short. Yeah, we came here late. Pretty much. How to sum up the day, but yeah. But what I like is, you know, I'm Jamaican. I've been to quite a few places in Jamaica. I've never been here, so I like that I'm doing something different, something I've never done before. So I still feel like I'm like a tourist, even though this is home. So anyway, on to the next.
Bamboo going on, bamboo community, Peter.
I get this.
Yes.
The best time when we're going to get everything.
I'm in the front. Can't see everything now. Good morning. So guys, the country part of the trip is over. So we're heading back to Kingston, and I don't want to leave. I love country better than Kingston. It's just so beautiful, relaxing, and the air is actually cool. I'm not hot. So yeah, I'm gonna miss my family here and my friends and my new friend. So yeah, I'm a little bummed, but yeah, we're gonna be heading to Kingston. Yeah, this part ends the countryside. The good old, the best part of Jamaica is the country. Don't listen to anybody tell you. Kingston is just too crowded, too hot, and it's not as pretty. Look at this. I got up every morning to this. You hear the roosters? Yeah. So bye bye till the next scene.
Sitting here, you forget about coming down here.
That's it, sure.
That's it. What do you want to go to name it again?
Scotty or something like that?
She name?
She.
We want to name?
Scotty.
No,
Sure, Scotty?
Yes, it's Scotty.
You want to write up in the water? The
God,
gazebo?
Mom, we went one place. It's Scotty.
The gazebo right in the front?
Oh, Jesus.
On the play, plane, that means on it, yeah? Yeah,
How we
to
know?
a gazebo out. almost into the water.
I don't remember where though, you know, so it's gonna be trial and error. They have a gazebo too, but may have to ask somebody.
We don't no road like this.
Anyway.
Far in from.
Yeah, but them closed.
Why they closed?
Maybe they're not open yet.
Come here.
Yeah, maybe they don't. Maybe it's too early. Could be too early. What time them over? What time? Okay. What's 12 o'clock? We're early. Where you want to sit down? So guys, we are at Elsha Beach. The reason why we come is because it is near where I grew up. So, originally from the Portmore area. And we always come to this beach when I was young. Like literally every weekend we were here. Because it is close by, very close by. So yeah, it's beautiful. Want to know for real? When we're ready for you to carry it here. Okay, over this look. This is just cute, but over this is nicer. Alright. What's up? I'm just looking at your horse. Oh, look at these. Huh? Friendly? Hey, cutie. Lord. Hey, cutie. Oh, what's his name? Is that he or she? What's his name?
Abram.
Hey, Abram. Oh, Abram. All right. Take care. Every time I see an animal, I just want to pet it. You're ready, photographer? Am I in?
No.
You're not ready? Me ready. More my picture than before me.
Did I get anybody that we went to hospital right up into me?
Oh, you did. That was a bucket list moment.
Just see your sister and the horse. This is a picture right there. I'm not sure to show you.
The guinea. Guys, it's some guineas we having. It's sweet?
Yes, very.
Guineas. Jamaican sweet guineas.
Alright now. Alright. So you break it. And so the inside look like. Yeah, it is sweet. Had a little sour to it.
This is Conrad, nothing like fruits, only dumpling.
You say you're gonna make him talk about your Conrad? Hmm?
Man,
You don't eat that?
man would even eat a guinea.
You mean apple? You mean American apple?
I mean like American apple. Yeah. I did not eat American apple. But I would eat some Jamaican apple, but it's not in season, guys. So I'm a little hurt. So I can't have any of that. Can't have no Neesberry. Can't have no star apple. Not in season. Ain't no catch nothing. That's good. So guys, I'm about to go take some pictures. A photographer ready? Oh man. Them ready? Them for them ready?
Oh yeah, fine.
You don't want to rush people now, because are you in a rush? Ready now?
Something I can use it there. You know, use gloves. Okay. See like this.
We can pack one.
Yeah.
That's a blue one again. That's a blue one again.
Alright. That's supper.
I want snapper. What do you want? Uncle Conrad, what do you want? Uncle, what do you want?
But we tell him to come back. Give me that part.
This one? Okay. I want a big one like this one.
I just want that one.
This one, what you gotta do? Right?
One of that.
I want mine steamed.
You want your big and steam.
Which other fish you want?
Look over here, so these
Alright.
He's gone already.
Yeah.
Let them do. One of them.
This one? What are you gonna do with it?
Eat it.
I was supposed to cook it for you.
Okay. Kind of Brown Street.
Okay.
Eh?
Yeah, we can do that.
Brown Street. Kind of
One,
Yeah, more to like that, mine like that.
Brown Street, you know?
Three Brown Street. Eh?
Two.
You want steam, so 2 steam and 2 Brown Street. Okay, no problem. That's it?
For the meat, yeah. And then
Festival.
festival.
Yeah, which one are you on again?
The one
This
that's
one, this
yeah.
one. And then, which 2 steam, then 2 the steam, and then 2 the Brown Street.
Yeah.
And this is festival?
Festival.
Yeah.
About how much festival the guys need.
Right.
Because it's a Brown Street and steam, then come in the festival. So, you know, don't want 10 or like children.
So me and him don't come on the festival?
Brown steam doesn't come with festival. So I think we fry come with festival.
Yeah.
Where
Festival
come?
kind of cheap, like 10 to like 200.
Oh,
So
So give-
I'm not sure what a dozen for 400.
a dozen?
Yeah.
Yeah, a dozen.
Give us a dozen.
So a dozen. If we want more, we just order more.
No problem.
Alright.
Can I get the name for the
Peter Gay. Food ready.
It's not all the time. So we don't get carrot. Yeah, that's not. Just give me with it. Change. It's not all the time. We don't get carrot.
Like it Brown Street with its steaming.
I don't even get.
You got wood? You got? You not ready yet? Which one? Both of them are yours?
No,
No, one boss work for my boss two boat.
Oh. Huh? Look at you. Huh? Right? So good, guys. It's so good. Not hot. Oh, it's still a nice breeze coming through. Yeah. My kind of weather. Decent heat. Oh. Steamed fish.
Yeah, internally get these things, but they do delicious.
I know, this is lovely. Water is so warm and clear. I'm still in the seed bead though. Those need to go. Near the boat. Guys, look at some panga nuts. They're not ready. They're not ready. Yeah, they're young.
I have not laughed like that.
Oh, I used to love these when I was growing up. So guys, my childhood. No.
You ever show me something up here? You want to show me something up here? You want to show me something up here?
So guys, I am in my neighborhood that I grew up in, and I'm at one of the houses that literally spent a lot of my baby years and growing ups. It's on the other side, which we're gonna walk over to. Probably not gonna go in because there are people living in there now. Still our family home, but we have some people living in there. But I haven't seen it in a while. But yeah, I am a Britain girl, Portmore girl. So, and the neighborhood look the same, guys. Literally, it seems like people just put on fresh coat of the same paint on their house because it looks exactly how it looked when I was growing up here. So yeah, but yeah, guys, I'm in my feelings right now. Cold. So guys, look at the view from my cousin's house. Look at the view. Amazing. Today is my last full day. So we're had a good time hanging out with family. So now we're returning to rental. It's over, guys. I'm so sad. But yeah, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day and eat and just be family. So I'm doing something with it, I don't know. Well, oh, I forgot, the prep school is still open. My last breakfast before I leave this wonderful island. You know, you gotta have your ackee and sawfish and your fried breadfruit. And I'm gonna eat all of this, guys. I know it looks like a lot. It is a lot. Forgive me later. Guys, so my uncle, I'm gonna miss him.
Cures that work overnight.
No, we'll see each other very soon, okay? Like maybe early next year, okay? And he'll be on my side. So guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed a bit of my family and friends and life in Jamaica. I will definitely have some vlog posts and some other stuff where I talk more about my culture and fun things that I end up doing for the first time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Go ahead and like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And tell me what something you learned new in the vlog or something you thought I was interested in. So thanks for the support, guys. And yeah, back to the US I go. Have a good day.